Still don't have a jack, so. Plan B wheel is what I call it. Glasses that are not safety rated, so. Disconnected from the bell housing. Pull that. Gonna help me today. I don't think she really wants to, but it's fine. So, starters, we're gonna try to get the spinners off this old bed, get it out of the way, and then we're gonna get that frame pulled over, and maybe start on the back side. Still don't have a jack, so we're gonna work with it how we can. Y'all bear with us? Try to hold it.
You're gonna drop it in the water.
That'd be a good put for somebody. Try to hold it without just breaking my hand off.
Got it?
Yeah. Plan B, everybody. Try to get as close as you can to the wall. See where the nut stops and there's a washer? So if you can cut this nut off, I can just take everything that's out. We can pop that right now.
Hold it, hold it. Push it up.
Hey. going back to him. She did really good for first time grinding something off of a Plan B wheel, is what I call it. My turn. You do a lot better than I did.
I think I'm on fire.
Maybe. I'm on fire. That's one. We still got another one to go. All you people thinking, what are you doing to the fenders? Don't worry. We have an idea. Don't have a clue what we're doing, but we have an idea. One more thing, guys. Always wear safety protection, unlike me and her. The only thing we have is glasses that are not safety rated. So you can't say I didn't warn you. Okay, now we're gonna put this over there, and we're gonna try to move this. And I think I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. Change of plans, y'all. We're not going to pull out the frame right now. I still don't have a jack. We're going to try to take out the rear end, which I read somewhere that you actually have to disconnect it from the bell housing, pull that whole thing out, and then pull the whole rear end out. And so just bear with us. First time doing this, learning as we go here. Guys, we are literally excavating this truck out of this mud. First we took the bolts off, and we got these loose. And there's a plate here that's blocking it coming out, and then we got to go to the rear end side. Hopefully that comes out. I don't know. Not used to working with something this old. Bear with us. I feel the other side of this is totally look at that shiny metal look. That's from the cheater wheel. Took the paint off and everything. That's how I use this. By the time I get done with this, I don't boot it out. What's going to do? Anybody wants to send us a jack, a plasma cutter, some WD stinking 40 since it's done went up like almost $10 a bottle down here, we greatly appreciate it. My contact information is on the homepage. You can send me an email. We don't have no sponsors. We're doing this videos out of the kindness of our heart and just for the pure joy of getting dirty. What the heck? Good gasket, yeah, all apart.
Slide. Aha!
That was part of it. Please screw
Man, it was tucked in the bottom.
Okay,
Great.
that's out. Now I'm wondering. Well, maybe we don't have to. We can't go forward with it. Any suggestions, anybody? I know y'all can't answer me right now, but that's fine. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for this weekend. Kind of ran out of time. I am in the picture. Anyway, you got kind of dirty. What'd you expect? But we got the rear end unlatched and some of the leaf springs unlatched, and now it's just stuck in the transmission. So I got to figure out what to do with that. And I know we cut most of it, but like I said, this is how we do things here. It might not be the right ways, but it does work. Please do at your own warning. We're not responsible for anything that comes about injuries. So believe me, I get burnt and cut on a day-to-day basis, and I usually bleed more than one spot by the time I'm done working on something. But anyway, we appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so. We will get more videos up shortly. Thanks for bearing with us. Thanks for all the new subscribers. We greatly appreciate you guys. And hope you all have a blessed week. And God bless you and your family. Take it easy.